Okay, I'm out here with the girls. Let's see what you guys are doing. Hi, what you guys doing? You just in there gonna lay me an egg? Thank you. So I brought them in this bucket of dirt. See if they want to dig around in it. Because the dirt here is buried. But anyway, we'll see if they like it. Put it in the sun. We'll see if you guys like it. Maybe you can find some bugs in there. Okay, have a good day. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. There's lamb chops. Hush Puppy is quite different from the other chickens. It almost looks like a rooster, but he doesn't have any spurs or anything. And the feathers on his neck. He's tall. Kind of a different, it says it's a crawler or cruller. Some kind of Russian. When I take a picture, and that's what Google tells me. Yeah, a wingding. What you picking at, the light? Pretty soon we'll be able to let him out. We took the condos out because they just didn't seem to care too much about him. So I'll just give him the room to run around. Bye.